All right, breaking news for you today. We have that big ruling on the Trump immunity claim. The Supreme Court of the United States, the majority opinion saying that the President of the United States, not just Donald Trump, but the President of the United States has limited immunity when it comes to official acts. But what this means for the timeline and the prospect of this case actually moving forward in Washington, D.C., let's find out more about that and welcome in Ron Chapman now, federal defense attorney. Ron, great to have you with us.
Thank you so much.
I mean, I guess kind of cutting to the chase here, the bottom line is that this decision today, aside from the technicalities involved, it really makes it that much more difficult for Judge Chutkan to move forward with the cases pending in Washington, D.C.
Well, absolutely. I mean, I could have predicted this outcome. In fact, I always thought it was going to be 6-3 all along. But the one thing I didn't predict is that the court was going to go a bit further and actually analyze some of these acts to determine whether or not they would constitute official acts. We have 5 acts that are alleged in the indictment, essentially, and the court seems to have broken those down. Obviously, that's not something that Justice Barrett concurred with. But I think that creates a much more difficult job for Jack Smith and Judge Chutkan to analyze this and to try to work their way around this ruling to allow this indictment to survive. It doesn't look like there's very much left of these 5 acts alleged against Donald Trump.
I'm just a simple caveman, not an attorney. I use this joke all the time. You may remember the unfrozen caveman lawyer thing. I'm not even a lawyer. I'm just a caveman. But reading through this decision today, there's little nuggets in there that I think are interesting, including one of the footnotes here that it says the court also notes in a footnote in this decision, and this is coming to us from SCOTUS blog here, that the district, if necessary, should consider whether 2 of the charges brought by Jack Smith against Trump in Washington involving obstruction of an official proceeding can go forward